This is my secret weapon for when I travel, especially in another time zone. This does the trick. We recently went to Paris, and the way our flight was, if we didn't get a couple hours of sleep on the plane, we would have been pretty destroyed when we got in. So I wanted to make sure I could get some sleep. I took one of these packets. This is the cherry, this one's the berry, and I'll go ahead and do a demo. I have 8 ounces of water here. And if you're on a plane, just have another water bottle that you can pour some water into, and hopefully it has a lid where you can shake it up. So just pour it in. And then if you don't have a lid, let's say you just have a cup, you can grab a spoon and do it. Or if you have a little handheld blender, these work like a charm. It blends very easily. But again, if you only have a spoon available or just a water bottle, just shake it up. It will do the same thing. And then taste-wise, it's so good. Like, it's really, really good. There's not a bitterness to it at all. I just say drink it kind of as fast as you can. Drink it all. It's the middle of the day right now, so I don't want to sleep yet. So I'm actually going to save this, pop it in my fridge, and then have it tonight because I actually have an early morning flight tomorrow. So I need to get some sleep, probably earlier than normal. So yeah, fall asleep fast, wake up rested. I swear by this stuff. It's been amazing.